Hello there, my friend, and welcome to this LeadsLeap training. I am Angela, and in this video, I will be showing you how to make money with LeadsLeap. Now, I am committed to sharing with you simple ways for you to make money online. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, if you are a marketer and you're looking for a simple way to make money online, this is definitely for you, because there's 4 different ways for you to actually go ahead and start making money. Now, what I like about LeadsLeap is that it's been around since 2008, so for about 13 years now. And Kenneth, the founder, is open. He's saying this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's something that if you are consistent, you could get recurring commissions over time. And the way it works is there's 4 different ways. The first way is you can participate in our paid per click program. So if you have a website or a blog, you can come in here, get a code, and then paste that code onto your blog. And as people start to click on those ads that members are advertising, then you can start to earn credits. And this is what the widgets will look like on your website. And then the second way is if you don't have a website, or maybe you do and then you want to earn, another way is you can become an active member. So to qualify as an active member, you have to log into your LeadsLeap account and view 10 ads. And the moment you view 10 ads, that's it, you've ticked your box, you've earned some credits for that day. And then once you're viewing those ads as well, you can earn even more credits by giving feedback on the different ads. You can actually report them as well. So by interacting with those ads, you actually earn some extra credits, and then you can convert those credits into cash. And the last way is to do what I'm doing. You can go ahead and start to share the system with other people. And if the people that you share it with, if they choose to upgrade, then you can earn between 25% to 50% commission. So let's go ahead and log into back office and show you the different ways that you can earn. So what you need to do is scroll down here to the money. This is a section that you're looking to do every single day if you want to make money with LeadsLeap. So the first one is daily active bonus. So when you log in, this is the dashboard. You can go ahead and click any of these ads. So these are the pro ads here. And there's ads here on the right hand side. If there's pro, it means there's a pro member. Otherwise, you can click the view the free members ads as well. So let's click this one, for instance. So by clicking this, with LeadsLeap, there is no timer, so you can stay on this for as little or as long as you want to. And by rating the ad and reporting it, you can actually earn more credits. Otherwise, you can just go ahead, click the ad, it opens up, you can view the ad for however long that you want. You can scroll down or whatever, and then that's it. You've earned your credits, and then you can do that. You can go to the next one, the next ad here, and do the same. Okay, you can rate it, you can report it, and you can click on it to see what it's all about. All right. Now let's close this. That's the first way. Let's go back in. And then the second way is paid per click earnings. So if you click here, you can actually see, you can get your widget code actually. So you can design it the way you want it to be. If you want it to be responsive, fixed, how many ads you want to display, how many categories, you can select categories there. You can design the color of it, the title and all that. And then once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and get the code and paste it on your website or blog. And then as people are clicking the ads on your blog, you'll actually start to earn those credits. So you set and forget. And then the other way for you to make money is affiliate. As an affiliate, so once you start to earn those credits from this paid per click and from surfing and reviewing and reporting, you will earn in credits, and you can convert those credits into cash at any time. And then if you want to do what I'm doing, share the platform and earn a commission as an affiliate, then you can simply go to affiliate links and tools here, and everything's done for you. This tab has your affiliate links, and then this one shows you how to promote. If you have a list, you click here, And then there's email swipes here for you. If you have a blog, you click here to learn how you can promote with your blog. And I'm active in internet forums, shows you exactly what you need to do. Active in traffic exchanges, shows you exactly what you need. I have nothing in step-by-step instructions, so this is very user-friendly. This banner is done for you here, email swipes, everything's there ready for you to use whenever you need them. So you can just scroll down, just go across to see whatever it is that you need as an affiliate. And you can track your stats here as well. And yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. 4 different ways that you can actually start to make money using this system. Be consistent, do the things that need to be done, and over time you'll start to earn some recurring income on autopilot, really, which is pretty good. So yeah, if you found value in this training, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I have my Facebook link in the description, and I have my Telegram link. You can connect with me. Actually, you can also leave a comment. That's always nice. That's always helps me with the YouTube algorithms as well. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on simple ways to make money online. And if this is one of the ways that you want to check out, it's free to create your free account. Click the link below and actually go ahead, create your free account, come in here and have a look in the back office and see at what level you want to participate in. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.